Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Welcome to my kitchen, guys, where today I'm about to unlock the secrets to baking biscuits so simple. You won't believe, guys, the incredible flavor they deliver with just 3 essential ingredients. I will guide you through crafting light, flaky biscuits that are perfect for any occasion. All you need, guys, for this recipe is self-raising flour, 7-Up or lemon lime carbonated soda, and a touch of heavy cream. No fancy techniques, just pure biscuit bliss in every bite. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, you'll need flour, 7-Up, and heavy cream. Let's set this aside and let's get started. Next, in a mixing bowl, pour in heavy cream and 7-Up. Then add the self-raising flour. Gently stir the ingredients until they come together to form a soft, sticky dough. I'm using a tablespoon here. I found that it works better than a spatula or a wooden spoon. Be careful, guys, not to overmix, as this can make your biscuits tough. The dough should be soft, slightly sticky and moist, but not overly wet. The next thing we are going to do is turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it a few times to bring it together, then pat it out to about 1/2 to 1 inch thick. So let me show you the technique that I always use to create layered or flaky biscuits. After patting the dough out to about 1/2 to inch thickness, cut the dough in half, then stack 1/2 on top of the other, then gently press the dough down again to its original thickness. Here is a well-greased skillet we are going to use. You are more than welcome, guys, to use a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. First, dip the biscuit cutter into the flour, then cut out individual biscuits. Be sure to press down without twisting the cutter to ensure the biscuits rise properly. Arrange the biscuits on the prepared skillet, making sure they are touching each other. This helps them rise evenly. Make sure, guys, you don't skip dipping the biscuit cutter into flour before cutting the biscuits. This serves several purposes. It prevents sticking, maintains shape, and ease of release. So we are going to have some scraps here, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna gather the dough scrap into a bowl, and you should be gentle and avoid excessive kneading. You're gonna pat and cut out. Once you have recombined the dough scraps, pat the dough out to the same thickness as before and cut out additional biscuits using your biscuit cutter. You can repeat the process until you have used up most of the dough. Also, keep in mind, guys, that each time you rework the dough, the biscuits may become slightly tougher, so it's best to handle the scraps as few times as possible. The oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna place our biscuits in the oven and bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes or until the biscuits are golden brown on top. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. The biscuits are done. I just pulled them out of the oven. Now I'm gonna go in with melted butter. These biscuits, guys, are light, fluffy, and tender with a crisp golden brown crust. They have a simple and delicious flavor with a slight tanginess from 7-Up. These biscuits are perfect, guys. Perfect for serving warm with butter, jam, gravy, or any other topping of your choice. The 3-ingredient biscuits are quick to make and provide a classic, comforting taste that's sure to satisfy your biscuit craving. Look at that, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go in and grab one. I'm gonna open and show you the yumminess. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my